Let me listen. Let me explain. This whole week is KCON week and everything, and I came from Korea. I'm late. I know I'm late, but you know what? I'm here. I'm here to check it out. I've been waiting. I've been fiending, but a lot of things I had to do first. It's Jimin time, bro. Jimin, who, bro, I killing the Billboard spot right now. That whole album, bro. I almost stole a bunch of albums at KCON. You'll see in the Instagram. Go check it out.
Oh my god.
Bro, and also I was busy with the Ultimate Bias podcast, guys. The first episode's out with DPRE. Go check it out. Check out the Patreon, everything, bro. While Dre's having a moment, be sure to check out my Patreon. We watch shows. Currently, we're watching Going 17. So be sure to subscribe, become a member. Hope to see you there. I'm out here working. Has to do with like streaming or YouTube. Oh my god. But we're here now, and that's all that matters. So let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. Oh. I love big hit music. I love you. Mwah. Where are we going with this, Jim? What the hell? Bro, the guitar just got me. What the hell? Jimin. Me. That's the end of the video. That's it. Goodbye.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Let's continue. Ooh. Oh, I love this. I love this. He's just dancing with different artists. I mean, different dancers. Oh, everything's on fire, like freaking Fire by BTS. Ooh, okay, footwork. Can't stop thinking about her. Oh, the choreo. Let's go, Jimin. I'm already loving it. Ooh, they changed the. Oh, they chose the whole quality. The whole quality just changed. Like retro vibes. Auto calibration. I can't even talk. Just call out my name out loud whenever you need me. Jimin! Jimin! He'll hit me up. Maybe I'll see him at 3 a.m. or something like that. Wait, are those like... Who farted? Don't fart. How dare you? Sorry, I'm live on Twitch right now. Are these animated? What is this? What are these people in the... Ooh, wow, I wish I was that dancer. See at night. It's giving me like listen, I love Taeyang, and Jimin and Taeyang collabed, and that's a freaking iconic collab. I vibed out to it. See what I did there? But you know how like Taeyang's only look at me when he's dancing to like different dancer girls. This reminds me of that. I love every minute of it. But Jimin just gives a whole different vibe. Ooh, the footwork, I see you. Where? Me too. I mean, not to her, but to you. I'm waiting for. Ooh, this part right here. I'm waiting for. That piano was fire. That addition. Whoa. My boy, stay sexy. What the hell? Sorry, I need to stop, bro. I have a girlfriend and everything. What are you doing to me? This green screen in the back? Yeah, it might be. Ooh. Ah. Hey. Hey. Oh. Sorry. Me? Obviously. Bliss. Are you just gonna walk? Listen. I hate to see you leave, but I love it when you walk away. You know what I'm saying? Is that the term? Is that the phrase? Is that? Well, let me double check. Let me fact check that phrase. I do want to do. If I'm gonna riz up Jimin, hate to see you leave, but love to watch you go. Okay, that's what. Let me. Hey man, I hate to see you leave, but love to watch you go, man. I said I hate to see you leave. Okay. Thought he would look back. I don't know. Why am I acting like Jimmy can hear me, bro? Whoa, what an ending. Damn, Jimmy. Damn. I'm excited for Jimin and Jungkook's vacation trip. Oh, is that coming out? I need to react to that too. Jimmy don't need a wingman because he's him. You right though, but listen, if you do want a wingman, Jimin, just for me to I think I might qualify. Maybe I don't know. I just want listen. Jimin got me acting up. I need to stop. I need to stop this. Let me go. Let me just go.
Hey, you better subscribe.
While Dre's having a moment, be sure to check out my Patreon. We watch shows. Currently, we're watching Going 17. So be sure to subscribe, become a member. Hope to see you there. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.